Katie. Katie Cook, do you think you could walk for Daddy, honey? You could do some walking for Daddy. I'll get a little walking for your Daddy. There you go. Whoa. Come in. Katie, who's that? Who's that?
Hello! Hello, birthday girl! Hello, birthday girl! How are you? How are you, little cute birthday girl? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Katie! Happy birthday to you! You smile at Daddy. Show me how you walk.
She's actually walking without assistance.
Whoa! Good girl! Can you try it again? Want to try it again? Can you do that without a hand?
She can. Who's doing it?
Good for you! Oh, you're getting a little tired.
It's her cake, as does her other.
What a good girl. What a girl.
Katie Cookie, will you show me how you're walking? Show me how you walk. I actually saw today. It's impressive.
Good girl. What a good girl. That's not quite the right way.
There you go.
Good girl. What a good girl, Katie. Katie, come here. Come here. What a good girl. Come to
Stuck
mommy.
moment here.
What a good girl.
Very good, Katie Cookie.
What a good little girl. That was good. Find Dad. Daddy. Come here. Come here. Oh, that was good. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Katie Cookie. Happy birthday to you.
That's a cake. Okay, want to come over here and blow it out for me? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. 1.
Come closer.
I say 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Gotta blow real hard. 1, 2, 3.
Try again.
Go!
Yay!
Yay!
Happy birthday, Katie Cookie.
Now, the first piece goes to Katie.
And the first piece, Mom.
But it's Katie's birthday.
And the first piece. What was the next?
Okay, you give the second piece. The
And the
birthday
next piece.
That's the first piece.
I